to day 14 of 30 Days to Greater Self-Love. And I am particularly happy that today is Sunday. The 14th day falls on a Sunday, and you'll see why in a moment. You've made it this far. I congratulate you. You're doing so well. For today, our task and our focus is on decluttering our home environment. Declutter your home environment. A cluttered home environment leads to stress, and it doesn't leave any room for new things to come into your life. Now, I know that decluttering that environment and cleaning up, packing away, and ordering the environment is not fun for most persons, actually. It's not fun, but the rewards are going to be great. Start small. So start today. Start with one room of your home and declutter that room. Pack things away. Make the space neat. This will lead to a greater sense of peace of mind, and it gives you a great sense of being in control. So here's an easy tip that you can use as you go through your closet, and I learned this from one of my mentors a couple of years ago. As you go through your closet, if there is any item of clothing that you haven't worn in the last 6 months, think about it. It means that you really don't need it. Now, I'm sure you would have really liked it when you bought it, right? Absolutely. But if you haven't worn it in the last 6 months, it means you really don't need it, and you can get rid of it. Might be tough, I know. So start with those, pack them away. I'll tell you a great suggestion of what you can do with them later on as we go through the masterclass series. So start today and make a daily habit of keeping your environment orderly. Don't allow things to become all jumbled up again. Keep it orderly, keep it neat, because you're making a habit of keeping your environment in a decluttered state for greater peace of mind, and that also goes a long way in boosting your self-esteem. It has been proven, it has been established. So that's your task for day 14. Declutter your environment. Start today and make a habit of it. Remember, we're building the habits that lead to greater self-love. This is Coach TJ with another power tip in the masterclass series, 30 Days to Greater Self-Love. See you on the other side in God's will as we continue to make that leap from mediocrity to legacy so that you can be all that you can and should be. See you soon.